You could probably come up with a lot of reasons why St. Louis is known as such a great baseball town. But at the center, without a doubt, are all the great teams and all the great players who've come through the city. All of them, in a way, timeless. All of them very much products of their own eras, too. But in the 80s, there was a group of players led by a manager who even now all stand out for being a little different than all the others. They were fun to watch, a blast to root for, and totally, completely original.
Oh man, is that scintillating baseball!
So what do you say we go back to another time when the St. Louis Cardinals made baseball look a little different and drove the rest of the game crazy trying to keep up with them? Because another look all these years later proves they were just as much of a thrill as you might remember.